Hello, friends and family. First of all, take my cordial love and first of all, take my salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, right now I am staying at my potato field. It is so bad for me. Why I am staying at my potato field? Because I have seen so many potato trees and I have seen so many problem in my potato trees. For that I came here in this place and I'm giving fungicide medicine. It is very good for my potato trees. For that I'm giving fungicide medicine. Besides at that time I'm giving mancozeb medicines in my potato trees. Okay, it is so amazing for me. Okay, yesterday I bought 1 kg Acrobat MZ cartoon and 1 kg Gayvet cartoon, and yesterday I bought some pesticide medicine and I bought some Topaz Plus medicines for my shop. Okay, for that I came here in this place and I'm giving this product in my potato trees. It is so good for me. Okay, after long days I am staying here in this place. For that I have seen so many problem in my potato trees. It is so bad for me. Okay, I have been working in my potato field since morning. Besides at that time I am taking care in my potato trees. It is so attractive for us. Okay, right now as you can see today's temperature is very normal in this place. I think that not only Bangladesh, today's temperature is very normal. Okay, the fog is everywhere. I can't see even everything properly because dense fog is everywhere. Okay, as you can see there is one small home but I can't see this home properly because dense fog is everywhere. Okay, as you can see this is my spray machine. Its name Farmet. I am giving fungicide medicine by this machine. It is very helpful medicine. It is very helpful machine for me. For that I bought this charger machine 1 year ago. Okay, its price 3,500 taka only. It is a very precious product for me. For that I'm taking care in this machine. It is very attractive. Okay, right now I'm alone practicing my English language in this place because today's temperature is very normal. For that every person will stay her home and every person will stay her market. It is so bad for us. Okay, right now there is one my elder uncle, he going Bacorat market, I think that, but I'm not sure because he is driving bicycle. Okay, I have been working in my potato field since morning. For that I'm very tired and I'm very hungry. Now I will go my home and I will shower in my uncle's pond and I will open my fertilizer shop. It is so attractive. Okay, right now as you can see there are so many different kind of person. They seeing my face and the different kind of comment me. It doesn't matter because I'm practicing my English language every single day. It is so good for me because I'm not wasting my time. I'm hard working in my potato field. Besides at that time I'm practicing my English language every single. Okay, I know that the potato is very precious product in our Bangladesh. For that every person in this winter season they always cultivate potato and they always eat potato in a day, daily 3 times. I always eat potato. Okay, I know that it is very delicious product for me. For that I always eat potato and I always cultivate this potato. It is so amazing for me. Okay, this is my potato field. That is my elder brother's potato field. It is so good for me. Okay, my father and me, I have been working since morning. It is so good for me. Okay, now I will go my home because today the work is in and I will go my home and I will go market because I will buy some fungicide medicine for my shop. I know that fungicide medicine is very important for our potato trees, and fungicide medicine is very important for our customer. Okay, for that I will buy this product for my customer, and I will buy some fungicide medicine for my potato trees. It is very important. I know that, and you know it is very important our vegetables field. For that I always give fungicide medicine, and I always buy this product. It is so good. Okay, right now I'm practicing my English language in this place. It is so good for me because I'm very busy with my daily activities. For that, when I got free time, that time I am open my camera and I make my new English video every single day. Sometimes people encourage me, and sometimes people different kind of comment me you are doing good and you will shine your life. For that I always practice, and I always making my new brand content every single day. Okay, this work is very difficult for me. Why it is difficult for me? Because when I was studying class 6 and 7, that time I didn't this work, and I didn't see this work. For that it is very difficult for me. For that I cannot this work properly, but I'm trying to work. It is very good for me. Okay, as you can see, there are so many different kind of pumpkin trees, different kind of cauliflower field in this area. It is very important for us, because every person in this winter season they cultivate cauliflower, and they always eat cauliflower. It is so memorable for me because I always cultivate this product, and I always eat the cauliflower. Okay, as you can see, this place are so attractive for me because today's temperature is very high, normal in this area. For that I can't see even everything properly. I mean, everything is to see bad. Okay, as you can see, this place are so attractive for us. Okay, as you can see, there is one small new homes it made maybe 1 year ago. It is very interesting to see. Okay, now I stop my camera and I will go my home. Thanks for watching this video. Keep enjoying, keep learning, stay safe, stay your home. The video is getting longer. I don't want to make it more longer. Keep practicing, keep learning. Best luck for you.